Why is the light? Oh, it got really dark for a second. Where the heck is Caleb? Somebody yelling in.
Hey everyone, we are the Davises!
Hello!
And where are we still at?
Great Wolf Lodge.
It's called the Great Wolf Lodge? I thought it was just a wolf lodge.
It's the Great.
Wow.
The Great Wolf Lodge.
I was thinking we were at the other hotel just called the Wolf Lodge.
And there's this crazy elevator, watch it. It just keeps opening and shutting.
It's not even 3 a.m.
It's because we're on the 6th floor.
Normally that kind of stuff happens at 3 a.m.
So we are gonna play sardines. This is a really big lodge. It has a bunch of floors, and on the bottom floor, there's like all kinds of stores and
Water parks.
I got this shirt.
Oh, Kayla's so excited. She got a cute new shirt. She's gonna show you guys. And then they also have an arcade there and the water park, like Sean said. So we're gonna go play sardines out there.
Good place for sardines.
And it's probably gonna take us all day, but we'll do our best to keep it short for you guys because we just kind of want to show you like some of the cool stuff that is in this lodge.
All right. So
We'll have some fun. All right, so first thing we gotta do is get in one of these crazy elevators and get down to the lobby because that's where all the fun stuff is.
Right.
All right, you guys, we're right in front of the arcade. Who's going first? Okay.
Tyler, you're up, buddy.
Should I hide in the arcade?
Yeah, the hotel is so big. We're gonna just say he's gonna go in the arcade. So we're gonna wait outside the arcade and then give him 2 minutes to hide in there and then we'll go find him.
All right, get lost, buddy.
Did you hear that, Wolf?
So, this arcade is really loud. It's not that big though, so I don't know where to hide. I don't know where to hide. I guess I'll hide right here. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Let's go see what we can find.
All right, I'm gonna go this way, see if I can go find over here. This arcade is huge, man. There's like so many people here.
I'm gonna go over this way. So I haven't been in this arcade before, so I don't know where where all the games are located. But here's the prize booth.
There's Caleb. Look over here.
Oh God, I see my dad.
I thought he might have been in the action zone, but apparently that's not the case there. Is he hiding inside the ball shooting place? Or is he playing the giant piano? Look at that. Beethoven, baby. Oh, yeah.
Oh God, Mom, kill, quick, quick.
I'm not nice. I'm not nice. Oh, shoot. We got to get down low.
Okay, kind of sneaking behind Kayla here.
I'm gonna go over this way. Wait, excuse me.
You gotta be here somewhere. I'm gonna look over here. Hear that? No? Okay, I'm moving on.
Scooch out. Scooch out so I can get in.
Hurry up,
Scooch out so I can get in.
You guys! Daddy gave it away!
Hey, Kevin.
I got it.
Nice hiding spot, Ty. Good job, man.
I was the last one. You were second.
I was first, baby.
You were first. Okay.
I think you should go next to the last.
Okay, let's get out of this noisy place. Okay, you guys. We are inside a glow-in-the-dark mini golf game thing. So,
Mini golf game thing?
yeah, what's it called? Mini golf.
Mini putt-putt?
Mini putt-putt. I'm gonna go hide in here, and then they gotta find me. I don't know how many holes are in
There's
there.
9 holes.
9 holes, so I should be able to find a good spot.
I got like a 1 in 9 chance of trying to find you.
Alright.
Alright?
So just give me just like a minute.
2 minutes.
Okay, bye. Ooh, look at all that glow in the dark. This is so weird. I hope I don't disrupt a bunch of people. I'm gonna try and walk around them. Look at that bear. Whoa. Look at this wall. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Hey, you guys. What's back in here? Oh, look at this. Okay, you guys, I think I found a spot. Okay, you guys, I am hiding behind this object right here. I think I'm gonna turn this light off too so I don't give myself away. And then hopefully I don't interrupt anybody else's golfing game. But look around me, isn't that cool?
We're on our way, and there goes Tyler. He's already gone, and Kayla's gonna go that way, and I'm just gonna walk in circles here for a second.
Look at this, got like little logs. Stuff. Everything is glowing. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but everything is definitely glowing.
That looks like a very majestic looking creature thingy. I wonder if I can. That's a wolf. That is a wolf. Hi. We got people over there, and there's some doggies. And then.
You got your light on? Let me see. I turned my light off because I didn't want to get found.
They have like bird noises. There's other people in here, so I'm gonna make sure I don't get them.
You didn't find her over there? Okay, well apparently Kayla's gone through. I lost Tyler, I don't know where he went. So she's got to be around here somewhere. Let me see, I don't see her. So she's got to be around here somewhere. Okay, there's people playing putt-putt, so I gotta make sure I'm not interfering in their game. And there's giant bears. Look at this guy right here, man. He's just chilling, eating some honey. He's got a big thing of honey right there. All right, we got a frog dude right here. We got frog dudes right there.
I don't see him anywhere. He's totally gone.
Get my shirt.
Oh, Kayla's glowing in the dark.
So are your shorts.
Yeah, I'm all glowing.
Everything but your face.
Well, I went through this whole thing and I don't see anybody. Kayla said she didn't see him, and I lost Tyler right from the very beginning. Oh, there they are. They're right there. Oh my God. You know what they say? If you're not first, you're last. And what am I always?
Last.
I'm always last. Am I ever first? I was first last
We had to
time.
turn off our lights because in that way you would have seen us right away. And you guys totally passed me like 3 times and I was just all... Yeah.
How did you do that?
And you couldn't even hear me.
She went.
Did you guys see how cool this place was though?
Yeah, it's like
Glowing.
it is glowy.
Look at that thing. Did you check
Ooh.
that? That's like the end of the whole mini golf course.
Freaky, spooky dude. Well, that was cool. So who's next? Is it me? Am I next? All right. Well, I gotta find a good spot to hide. So.
All right, now it's Sean's turn.
All right. So there's like a bunch of shops and stuff on the main lobby area right here. So
All
I'm gonna
kinds
find
of stuff
somewhere
down
here.
this way. We're gonna give him this whole area.
I'm gonna totally get lost right now. I got 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
All right, so let's turn this way. I can't be looking.
That just means we can look
Yeah,
even
that
more.
means we're looking.
Oh, can't be looking. Sorry.
Ooh, I can hide in a little fairy den right here. I wonder if they would get mad if I jumped the fence right there and did that. Probably. Ooh, clubhouse crew. We got the store. I can go hide in the jungle right here. I'm gonna go up there. I wonder how I get up there. Think I can like hide up in there? I don't know.
Hey, where's he going?
I don't know. I think he's gonna go in the food area. What do you think?
Probably.
Like, do you think there's an ice cream place?
Yes, we do.
Oh, well, never mind. Okay, so he's not gonna do that.
This store actually looks like it's got like a lot of good hiding spots in it. So I think I'm just gonna go chill over here. Ooh, that's the shirt that Kayla just bought right there. I'm gonna hide right next to Kayla's shirt. Right here. So they can't see me. I'm gonna dip down and we're gonna see if they can find us. Right now I'm in this giant store where they got like a million different things to buy, like all different kinds of clothes and trinkets and shorts and stuffed animals. You can see way over there, there's stuffed animals. Little woofy dogs. All kinds of good stuff. But the best thing is, they got hiding spots, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, 2 minutes are up. Let's go find Daddy.
Okay, so he went down this way, so I'm gonna go down this way. Let's see. Where could he be?
I see Tyler. I see Kayla. Letting them get a head start.
I think he's gonna be in the shop because all these other places look a little bit dull, I guess. I don't know. So, what? I thought I heard my name.
He might be in here. That's a food place. I don't think so though. Let's see, maybe. Nope. Nope. Okay, let's rule out that place. He's not going to be in there. There's another food place. Nope. Kayla's on me. She's like checking everything out. I'm checking out. Nope.
It looks like they're closed.
Oh, yeah, that'd be the perfect spot. What about in here? Nope.
Between the games?
I would like to be the game.
Behind the games? Nope. It's not behind the
That'd be a
games.
perfect spot, huh?
I know.
I'm gonna check this shop right here. Tell me if you guys see him. I don't know where he is.
I just saw Tyler.
There's a store right here. You want to go shopping?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go shopping.
Don't see him there. Didn't really check this side. Hang on.
I got found.
What? I see Tyler in here. Oh, he just ducked.
You pick it up. No. They found us.
No, then he's in last.
I saw Tyler ducking.
I saw this was Kayla's shirt right here that she just bought, so I'm like, I'm gonna hide right here. This one right here.
Yeah, you grabbed this.
Oh, well, I was like looking at the camera, reaching backwards. This is the one right here that she bought, as you can tell, because she's wearing it.
Hey, it looks so cute. I think I might get one. Just kidding.
I might get one too.
It's a little bit young for myself.
No, it's perfect for me. I think Kayla was last place, so.
Oh my goodness, Kayla's lasso. She gets to be the hider.
Ooh, hider.
Go hide in the water park.
You're gonna go hide in the water park?
So we all
Water
agreed
park's
to go
huge.
together at least to go to the water park because this place is ginormous.
It's not just enormous, it's ginormous.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy, dude.
And once you see the water park, you'll understand it's still gonna take forever.
Right. So let's go head on down to the water park.
Okay, now it's Kayla's turn. We are at the water park. It's Kayla's turn.
I gotta find a spot without getting wet.
And I'm really scared because this place is really big in here.
It's
and
really loud
there's
too.
a lot of people. So she goes hiding. I don't know what we're gonna do.
We're never gonna find our baby girl again.
Okay, well, let's give her 2 minutes to go hide, and then we will all hopefully find her. Fingers crossed.
2 minutes, baby, 2 minutes.
Don't go over there.
Tyler got it. He got the shot.
Good job.
Okay, I'm on my way to go find my spot. I was looking around and I think I have a spot, but we'll have to see if it works because it's kind of like where people would stay and I don't want to disturb anybody. So we'll see. But I definitely want to hide somewhere on this side. There's the wave pool. We never got to go in there. It's okay. It's really loud in here. I'm gonna see if over here works. Right there, where those two little orange things are. see how long it takes them to find me.
2 minutes are up, so we're gonna all head different directions to see where Kayla is.
Yup.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to talk loud because it's really loud here. So I'm gonna hopefully find her first. I didn't see where she went, so I can't cheat. Oh well, I have no clue where she is.
And then way over here, they have lily pads, which are really, really cool too. We played on those the other day. They're a lot harder than you think. And these are some other water slides. Those look super fun. And I think the boys went on those last night. You guys see Kayla? I don't think she went in there because I don't think she's wearing her bathing suit at the moment. There's so many people. I don't think I'm gonna find her. I don't.
All right, so I gotta try to find my baby girl. But look at all these people here. This place is huge.
Maybe she's in this crowd. I don't think so.
There's Tyler. Right there. He doesn't see me. He just passed me. I picked a good spot, man.
Let's see. I didn't see her, did you? She must not be there. She's probably over here somewhere.
I just went outside, and as you can see, not hiding outside.
It's so bright. Oh my god. But maybe she's out here. I'm gonna look around out here and hopefully she's out here. Where's Kayla?
Look at that guy. He's going to town right now over there. See, I do not see her anywhere. Oh, I think I found her. I think I found her. I'm walking towards her. I'm walking towards her. I found my baby.
He found me. Tyler keeps passing by. He hasn't found me yet.
He hasn't found you. He keeps walking past you.
He walked like over here, and then he went that way.
He went outside looking for you? Okay. Oh, I'm first, man. That's happened twice. It never happens. Not in any games. It's the first time it's ever happened twice in one game. That's just crazy, man.
She could be sitting at a table. Hi! Have you guys seen Kayla or Tyler? Because we're playing a game right now, and I can't find them. No? I don't know where everybody is. Just me by myself. I'm trying to find a family. She's always watching you guys. Oh, awesome! Yeah, if you see us all together, we can take another picture. You guys have time. I'm gonna keep looking for them. I think I'm last.
Someone's behind there.
Oh, I think I know where they are. They're helping me. Ah! Oh no! Where's Tyler? I'm not last?
Oh, he was passing by. He went like this, and then he went outside. He's right there. You see him?
Oh no!
Okay, here's the...
Ah, he's way far.
He's leaving. Tyler's leaving.
I have to tell you, someone ratted you guys out.
What?
Yeah.
A fan?
Yep.
You fans gave away our
I
position?
said I'd take a picture with you if you told me where they were. And they said, okay.
I know exactly where they are. They're right over there.
I might know where she is, but I don't know. Why is the light? Oh, it got really dark for a second. Where the heck is Kayla?
Tyler!
Ah, he's going through the wagon.
Somebody yelled my name.
You're so close.
at me, man. Yeah, like father, like son.
I just realized everyone's wearing a blue shirt except for me.
Oh, we're all in blue. Look at that.
Get out of here.
Everybody but Kayla.
Get out.
That last round we kind of cheated a little bit because we yelled for Tyler.
But it would have taken him all day.
I know. He kept passing everybody.
You yelled me, but I had no clue.
We were yelling his name too. He's like, huh?